The Chevrolet Bolt EV has earned a reputation as a practical, efficient electric hatchback, but its propulsion system hides several serious issues. While EVs avoid many traditional engine problems, the Bolt's electric motor, battery pack, power electronics, and charging system have all shown weaknesses, some minor, others significant enough to trigger massive recalls. This quick but complete review breaks down the most important problems and reliability concerns every current or future Bolt owner should know. The Bolt's permanent magnet motor and single-speed gearbox are mechanically simple, but their performance depends heavily on proper cooling and inverter control. Failures in these supporting systems can lead to sudden power loss, overheating, or reduced acceleration. And because many components are integrated, even minor issues can mean expensive repairs. A common Bolt complaint is a high-pitched whine or grinding noise from the drive unit. These sounds usually come from worn gears or motor bearings and can progress into vibrations at highway speed. While not typically catastrophic, many units have required full replacements, and costs rise quickly after warranty expiration. The Bolt's biggest issue has been defective LG battery cells that could short internally and cause fires. The recall required replacing battery modules or entire packs in nearly all early models. Even post-recall, some owners report faster than expected degradation and charging throttling. Because the battery determines range and safety, this remains the Bolt's most serious and expensive weak point. The Bolt uses liquid cooling, but coolant leaks, weak pumps, or blocked passages can trigger power reduction or charging limitations. High temperatures, especially with repeated DC fast charging, accelerate battery wear and can reduce range. Early Bolts are more sensitive to heat than newer EVs with upgraded control logic. The inverter, which converts battery power for the motor, is known to cause propulsion power reduced warnings. Failures may lead to limp mode or a complete shutdown. These issues are less common than battery defects, but often just as costly, because diagnostics and replacements involve major drive unit components. Many owners report slow or inconsistent DC fast charging speeds, often tied to battery temperature or software limits. The onboard AC charger can also fail, causing charging interruptions. In rare cases, high-voltage contactors malfunction, preventing charging or trapping the car at a public station. Regenerative braking can become jerky or inconsistent, especially if the motor bearings or inverter sensors degrade. The single-speed gearbox, while simple, can develop gear lash, whining, or fluid leaks. Metal particles in the fluid on high-mileage units show that wear is not uncommon. Many Bolt problems originate in software. Incorrect thermal management decisions, charging bugs, sudden power limits, and regen inconsistencies. Updates often fix issues but occasionally create new ones. Because the car's systems are highly integrated, software faults can mimic hardware failures. The Bolt EV is quick, efficient, and practical, but its propulsion system has notable weaknesses, especially battery defects, noisy drive units, and inconsistent charging behavior. Updated and post-recall models are far more reliable, yet early Bolts carry enough long-term concerns that used buyers should research carefully. With proper cooling, software, and a good battery pack, the Bolt can be dependable, but ignoring these issues can lead to expensive high-voltage repairs down the road.